Think you're fast? Think again. A sneeze, that involuntary expulsion of air from your nose and mouth, can reach speeds of 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah, the quickest land animal, and even swifter than a greyhound, the fastest dog breed. It's even speedier than a professional baseball pitch. So, next time you sneeze, remember, you're momentarily the fastest thing on two legs. But here's a tip. Always sneeze into your elbow, not your hand. You wouldn't want to share that speedy air with others, would you? Stay healthy, stay informed, and remember, even the smallest things can pack a surprising punch.